So guys, join me to unbox my iPhone 17 Pro Max. Ooh. So I got the iPhone 17. Well, I didn't get it. My husband got me the iPhone 17 Pro Max plus the iPhone 17 Pro Max case. Okay, plus the screen guard. If you don't have a screen guard in this house, they will help you unbreak it. Plus the screen guard. And guys, I also got the back camera protector. Yes, I did get it. Okay, if you want this phone to last for about 3 months, you need to protect it from these children. So this is the back camera, the lens, the flash. So I said it's going to be ideal to get it. So let's open the phone together. This time around, the way is quite easy to open. So this is iPhone 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange. I just, first time having something different, with iPhone, like something colorfully different, okay? That's why I didn't go for the other colors. I decided to go for this particular color because I find it quite interesting. So let's put it on. So this is it. So we're going to put in the case at the same time. Okay. I love this case, really blended, okay? So I love. Right now, I'm going to be putting the back case as well. We're bringing everything together. It's the back camera. The back camera. What it looks like for the back. This is highly recommended. Highly recommended. So what it looks like. Remember, this case has opening here. So if you don't protect the back camera, it's going to destroy.